Hey everybody, it's Andrew here from andrewplimmer.com. I hope you're having a wonderful day. It's an absolutely beautiful day here on the Sunshine Coast. I'm coming to you from my veranda today, and I just wanted to shoot a quick video about faking it till you make it. I've heard that said so many times. You've got to fake it till you make it, and I think that in itself puts people off. And not only that, it's sort of deceitful because you're making out to be somebody that you're not. And if you're not a seven-figure earner, or if you're not a six-figure earner, why would you pretend to be a six or seven-figure earner when you're not? Because people will see through it anyway, and people will know that you're not telling the truth. And but it also puts a lot of pressure on you to try and be better than what you think you are, or what you are. All you need to be is one chapter ahead of the next person to be able to provide huge amounts of value to that person. So I've heard that said many times. Russell Brunson, I think, coined that sort of saying, one chapter ahead. And if you remain one chapter ahead and continue to improve yourself, you're going to be able to continue to provide value to others that are following you, and they'll continue to support you, and they'll perhaps even buy products from you or products that you might be selling, because you build up rapport, you build up trust, you're building up a relationship with those people. And once you start building some momentum, it's just an awesome feeling. But I will say this, no matter what you get involved with, it requires some effort, it requires some work. You might have to make some sacrifices, you might have to turn off Netflix, especially if you've got a full-time job, and you need to do what needs to be done to make it happen. But it's so important that you align yourself with an affiliate program, or a program that gives you the support, the help, and all the training that you need as well to get going. So I'm involved with a fantastic affiliate marketing program. Look, I've been looking around for years. I've been affiliate marketing for 20 years, but sort of never really developed my own product because I didn't want to. And perhaps I'm not ready to, I'm not sure, but I aligned myself with this particular program. It's just friggin' awesome. It's ideal, perfect for people just kicking off. Not only will you learn the skill sets required to sort of build out your sales funnels and set up your autoresponders and all the rest of it, but they talk to you about mindset. There's one-on-one coaching, weekly live calls. You can get all your questions answered. It's just awesome, and most importantly, it's just huge value for money. And just to show you that you can make a lot of money with this particular program, one of the guys in the last 18 months has actually made $1 million promoting this program. It just hit that milestone recently by promoting this program using YouTube. So it can be done, but once again, he made a huge commitment. He was consistent. He loaded up, videos most days, stepped outside of his comfort zone, and he made it happen. So I hope you got some gold nuggets out of this. I hope you're having an awesome day. I appreciate you. I love you very much. Please like and share this video if you feel that it's worthy, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Over and out. Bye now.